Time after time, I keep wondering if you are truly my mother. Because if I am, sometimes I think, how can a mother be this wicked? Eh? Think about it. How can a mother be this wicked? Imagine if this girl was your own daughter.
God forbid! Lucia can never be my daughter.
For real?
Lucia Wanyaga, my own daughter. For what? Abumaga! Abumaga! I reject you! I reject you 7 times. Amen. I reject you in my 7 words to come. Amen. I reject you, Manalo Manife. Amen. You can never be my daughter. Never. You will not eat this food. Never. This food.
Mama?
You will not eat it.
Give me money. Lucia, give me 100 naira.
Did he just call me by my name?
Give me money. Money. I will use it to buy Jeep. 1 Venza, 1 GLK. Be careful with friends. You hear me? Be careful with friends. Be careful with friends. Lucia. Lucia. Lucia! Be careful with friends. GLK. Venza. Be careful with friends. GLK. Venza.
What has she done? What is her crime?
Good morning, madam. Welcome, madam.
What just happened? Who told that madman my name? God.
Ma'am.
Let's do this later, please. Hello, babe, where are you?
I'm on my... Wait, you sound tensed. Are you okay? I'm on my way to your boutique already. Is everything good with you?
Look, just come. Hurry up, okay? I'm waiting. See you.
Are you okay? Hey, what is wrong with her? Why is she sounding so tense?
What's that? Ma, are you okay? Excuse me. Mind your business.
What happened?
I don't know. Are you sure she's okay? I don't know. You didn't ask her. Wow. Let me go back. You're here.
You say you okay?
I still can't believe what happened.
You sounded very low on phone. What is it?
You know, I am still in shock. I'm still trying to observe and understand exactly what just happened.
Please, Lucia, just take a deep breath. Calm down. Then explain to me what is it?
Life is just so unfair to me.
Hey, is it about the test you and your husband went to the hospital for? It didn't come out positive. After all the medications the doctor gave to you.
This year, I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know what is happening to my marriage.
I don't understand. Are you just going to sit here and whip up sympathy without telling me what the problem is? What is it?
What is her crime? Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this.
Excuse me, sir. Here's the proposal, so it's ready.
You can drop it on the table and go.
Okay. Is there anything you want me to do for you, sir?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, let me get back to work. So are you sure you're fine? Is everything okay?
I'm okay. I just have a slight headache.
Oh, so let me quickly get you Sudrex. That should help with your headache. I'll be back in a minute.
when I and my husband finished with Dr. Michelle at the hospital, he went to his office and I drove down here to the boutique. Reaching here, I parked the car, alighted. I was just about to walk into the boutique and a madman rushed to me, stopped me and demanded that I should give him 100 naira.
A madman?
It happened before.
Okay.
So he asked me for 100 naira. It was weird. I didn't have 100 naira. He said he wanted to use it to buy a jeep.
A jeep?
Yes. So I couldn't find 100 naira. I gave him 1,000 naira. Just as I was about to leave, he stopped me again and said something very worrisome.
What did he say to you?
It was more like a warning.
A madman warned you?
Yes. He warned me to be careful of friends. Can you imagine? And the worst is that he called me by my name.
That should help you feel better, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Is there any other thing you want me to do for you, sir?
No, Olivia, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Okay, sir. Let me get back to work, sir. Alright, sir. Thank you.
Are you serious? Did he tell you the exact person?
That is where the problem is. He wasn't specific.
I don't understand you, Lucia. First, you said he's a madman. Secondly, you said he asked you for 100 naira. Then you gave him 1,000 naira. He now said he was going to use the 1,000 naira to buy 2 jeeps. Who is going to buy 2? Who buys 2 jeeps with 1,000 naira? Who? I'm surprised that you, of all people, will allow a mentally deranged person control your feelings.
Tina, you haven't been listening to me. I told you that this man called me by my name.
He called your name?
He called my name. Gina, see, do you know that these mentally unstable people, they just have this way of saying things that we sane people cannot see. Their mental instability just makes them sort of extraordinary.
Hey, should I bust your bubble?
What?
I went to the market one day to get some things. Immediately I entered inside the market. Some group of people started shouting, "Auntie Regina, come and buy something from us." So I turned and I saw the particular man that called my name. I said, "Oga, I don't know. How did you know my name?" Because me, I cannot even remember him from anywhere. He said, "No, he just guessed." And he guessed right. What I'm trying to tell you is that I am sure this madman just guessed and he guessed right. Now you are here, sitting and crying and whining like a child.
I don't understand. I just felt this goosebumps all over me. The way he said it. It's just...
See, please, Lucia, please. Stop this. Don't allow a mentally deranged person start making you feel this way. It's not nice. Do you know what? Enough of this madman wahala. Can we just change the topic? What was your test result? How did it go?
Tina, please, I'm just exhausted. I'm tired.
Tired of what exactly?
Tired of this miserable life of mine, of course.
Chimu. Stop now, Lucia. See, Lucy, do not allow your inability to conceive make you feel miserable. You're just married for just 10 years.
Just 10 years? You call 10 years just? 10 years of misery? 10 years of sorrow? 10 years of not being able to conceive, 10 years of not missing my period, not even for once, and you call it just? How can you call it just?
I'm sorry. This was a slip of tongue. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm just tired. I just feel like ending it all. And I'm going to do it someday.
And what? Don't just try it, oh. Don't just try it at all. Suicide is not an option. And what? Suicide is a permanent solution to a temporary problem. Don't do it now. Why are you talking? If you just kill yourself, know that I'm going to join you immediately. I will join you once you just die today. I will just die tomorrow. Know that. Because me, you're not going to leave me in this world alone. So don't start. Okay. Tell me now, how did your meeting with Dr. Mitchell go?
With tears in her eyes, pain in her heart. She never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever.
I just said I'm on my way.
Wherever.
Priscilla, you're disturbing me. I just said I'm on my way.
She's ready to help.
Okay.
Wherever, however,
Can I ask him to wait for me now?
you are, she will never, ever.
Priscilla, I just said I'm on my way. Get off my phone.
Cause she's got a good.
Hello.
What can I do for you?
Can I get to meet you? My name is Kester.
I'm not interested. Excuse me, please.
Hey, listen. You don't have to be arrogant about it. I mean, just a new friend, an acquaintance, that's all. See, you won't regret meeting Kester. A man like Kester, a man to be with. Trust me.
And I just said I'm not interested. Are you daft?
I'm not. You don't have to sound that rude. You don't even know me. I just get to meet you now and you sound this on me. Okay, come on, darling. No, come on, let's meet.
Mr. Kester, I do not care to know you. Excuse me, please.
Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this and lie away.
Harold, all the tests carried out on you and your beautiful wife shows there is nothing wrong with both of you medically. No trace of infections at all. You do not have low sperm count, which of course is the cause of miscarriage or infertility in most women.
Okay.
And Lucia here do not have ovarian cysts, no blockage of fallopian tube, no hormone imbalance.
Then what is stopping my wife from conceiving and carrying a baby in her womb for 9 months and also giving birth like every other woman? What's stopping her?
That is what I do not have an explanation to. She is perfectly okay. You two should be able to reproduce offspring. I can't fathom the reason she can't conceive.
Doctor, I'm sure there is something. I'm sure there is something you can do for us. Huh?
Yes, sure.
What is her crime?
Yes.
For 10 good solid years, my wife and I have suffered in the hands of family members and friends. There is nothing they've not called us. A lot of people have humiliated us, called my wife barren. I mean, some even opined that my wife is an obanje.
Oh, far from it. Lucia, you have to take it easy. We are going to find a way around this.
When? Doctor, I just want a baby. I want to give my husband a child. Since we got married, all our friends that were married at the same time, they all have children. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just want one. Just one. Please help us.
with tears in her eyes, pain in her heart. She never bears no grudge.
Harold,
She's ready to
I have known you for quite a long time now. We have been friends since our university days. I trust God to sort things out. I know couples it took 10, 15, 20 years before they started recreation.
God forbid.
Amen.
That is not our portion.
I understand how you feel, Lucia. To some it happens just like that. While some, it takes a trial of faith. At this point, I think I will suggest IVF to you guys.
IVF?
Yes. We suggest IVF to couples who cannot get pregnant naturally on their own.
Doctor, I am not barren.
Yes, my wife is not barren. I believe and I have faith that she can conceive.
The more reason I suggest IVF in the first place. Let us try this and see how it goes.
It takes, she's ready to help her.
Babe, what do you think? Doctor, my wife and I will go home and we will ponder over it. Once we come to a conclusion, I will give you a call.
It's okay. Just take your time.
This is no longer funny. I mean, something is wrong somewhere. 10 years without conception.
I don't know who I offended, but I know someone is responsible for this. Someone is out to ruin my life.
Lucia, my friend, you know sometimes we humans, we keep looking for our problem elsewhere. Whereas the person killing us might be very close to us. I don't know, but I've been meaning to say this to you. Are you sure Harold is not an occultic man? What?
Gina, what did you just say? Are you by any chance insinuating that my husband belongs to some sort of secret cult?
I'm not insinuating, no. I'm only saying the truth, the fact. Oh no, what I'm trying to say is that he's been getting richer by the day.
Gina, please! Let this be the first and the last time you will ever say anything like this to my hearing or even to someone else. Aside the fact that we are friends, I will not take this from you. What do you mean by that?
I'm very sorry now. I was just overwhelmed by your problem. I'm sorry. I don't know what to think or say again. I'm sorry.
Someone is doing this to me. Someone is doing this to me.
Why don't you take the IVF Dr. Mitchell told you about? Why don't you give it a try? I've seen a lot of couples, a lot of couples I know have given birth through IVF.
IVF is not for me. No.
Just look at what you are saying. We are here looking for a solution to your problem. And you are saying IVF is not for you. So IVF, see, I just feel you should go home and think about it. Then you will call me and tell me what your thoughts are. IVF is not a bad thing. Mama Nebo that is close to my office, she gave birth to Nebo through IVF. Huh? The other woman, that one that used to form too much, that her daughter, it was through IVF. Though the child used to misbehave, I don't know that is the IVF.
With tears in her eyes, pain in her heart, she never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever, however, wherever it takes. She's ready to help her wherever. however, whomever you are, she will never, ever, ever disappoint. 'Cause she's got a good heart. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. No, she don't deserve this. No, she don't deserve this. No, she don't deserve to be treated this way. Yeah, she deserves better. What has she done? What is her crime?
How long do you want to do this for?
You don't understand. You do not know what I go through each passing day.
I know. I know what you're going through. Have you forgotten that we're in this together?
Maybe it's just been a roller coaster of emotions. I am fagged out. I am tired. I'm tired. I just want my own children. I want them.
I know you want your own children. And I want you to believe that one day you will have your own children.
When? Huh? When exactly? I want them. I want to hold them in my hands. I want a baby.
I don't know when it's going to be. But I know that someday we would carry our own children.
But I can't wait. I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired.
If you get tired, what happens to me? I draw strength from you. You're the reason why I'm still sane. So if you get tired, I'll get tired too. And if I get tired, trust me, we will both mentally break down. I don't want us to get to that point, please. Come. Come. Our Heavenly Father in heaven sees our hearts and knows how dire we want children. In His time. In His time, God will manifest. Okay, please.
You are, she will never, ever, ever disappoint. 'Cause she's got a good.
Sorry. It's okay, sir. It's okay. It's okay. What is it?
It's a terrible nightmare. I had a terrible nightmare, baby.
It's alright. Tell me about it.
I was mercilessly beaten by an angry mom. I stole a baby. And then he set me ablaze.
No, that can never happen. I reject this dream. It will not happen, God forbid.
Baby, they tried to plead my innocence that I didn't take any baby, but they wouldn't listen. They kept shouting on volume, top of their voice, and they kept calling me baby thief, baby thief. They set me ablaze. It was horrible, baby.
I reject it. It is not your portion. Calm down, baby.
Baby, my whole body hurts.
It's okay.
My head hurts. My chest.
Babe, listen. I would advise that you try and forget whatever this family is currently going through. Huh? Look at you. Look at you. This constant nightmare is as a result of your worries about our childlessness. Okay, just look at now. You're running a temperature now. Okay, go into the bathroom. Take a shower or just wash your face or pour water on your head. Huh?
Okay.
Be fine. Be fine.
Promise.
I promise you.
She is the epitome of beauty and grace, with tears in her eyes, pain in her heart. She never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever, however, wherever it takes. She's ready to help wherever, however, whoever you are. She will never, ever, ever disappoint, 'cause she's got a good heart. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. No, she don't deserve this. No, she don't deserve this. No, she don't deserve to be treated this way. Yeah, she deserves better. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. Whoa. What has she done? What is her crime? Yeah, she deserves better. From the soles of her feet to the top of her head, she is the epitome of beauty and grace, with tears in her eyes, pain in her heart.
Wakey, wakey, baby.
She never bears.
Good morning, baby.
Good morning, my love.
It's done already. I overslept.
Yes, you did. And that's because you had a very long night. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, baby. So, this is what you're going to do all day.
Okay.
You'll be in bed. You don't have to go anywhere. You need enough rest for the rest of the day.
Baby, you know, I don't know how you do it. You just see my heart. I was just going to tell you, baby, I am tired. I don't think I can make it to the boutique. And here you are just saying the exact same thing.
We think alike.
My man.
Oh, baby. I have to run now, okay? Take care of yourself. Remember, don't do anything strenuous. I love you.
I love you.
Okay, baby.
Have a great day.
Have a lovely day.
With tears in her eyes, pain in her heart. She never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever, however, wherever it takes. She's ready to help. Wherever, however, whomever you are, she will never, ever, ever.
Oh, fine. How are you? Fine. Well, my friend is not around.
Yes, we haven't seen her today.
Like, seriously? Why? I've been calling her, she's not taking her calls.
Her husband came in earlier. He said she's not feeling okay. I'm not sure she'll be coming today.
She's not feeling fine?
Yes.
Her husband said so. Hey! Okay, maybe I'll just go to the house to see her.
Alright.
And take care of the shop.
Okay. Bye-bye, Ma.
What about Ifoma? Is she around?
Yes, she's at the back.
Okay, no problem.
Where is Auntie Gina?
She has gone.
So soon? Ha!
You know Madam is not feeling fine now. She has gone to see her.
Okay. Let me continue with what I'm doing.
This little lamp of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, Olivia, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Thank you so much for listening. The medication you gave to me worked magic.
I told you, sir. I'm glad you're back on your feet, sir.
All thanks to you.
You're welcome, sir.
All right. Yeah, come in. Ha ha! The unfortunate bachelor. King of bachelor. Bob brother. You sure you want me? Please make yourself very comfortable. Yeah, thank you so much. Oh.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day, beautiful. My, oh my. Hey. You can go to your office now.
Thank you, sir.
Is everything okay? Yeah, sure. That's your secretary, if I'm not mistaken. Have you taken your time to look into your secretary? She's so beautiful. My, oh my. In a long while, I haven't seen anything as beautiful as this. What? Anyway, I trust you, you're a bad guy. You must have started digging around. Are you searching for a wife, okay? Hell no. I am still the king of bachelors. I'm not searching. I thought as much. So what is this discussion for?
What has she done? What is her crime? Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. Nobody can take this. Nobody.
Lucia! Abu! Abu!
Madam.
I thought you said your madam was inside.
My madam Ade is inside my house.
But I've been knocking, nobody's answering.
I knock well.
I've been knocking.
Well, I knock very well. My madam Ade inside my house.
Lucia!
Papa.
Lucia!
Make I help you knock. Madam. Madam.
Lucia! Lucia!
Madam.
Lucia!
Who is that?
Lucia!
Who is that?
It's me. It's me. It's Gina.
Okay.
Kester, it is so obvious that you have completely lost it.
I don't understand. Listen. You are my good friend. If you look at that girl so close, you will see that girl has what you want to give you what you seek.
What are you getting at?
Oh, come on. Can you stop talking like a child? Quit the pretense. You know exactly what I'm referring to.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Kester. I don't even want to believe what I am thinking right now. Are you in any way suggesting that I should start having an amorous relationship with my secretary?
You're missing the point here. Listen. I am not asking you to marry that girl. If you look at that girl is active and beautiful. That girl can give you what you want. Listen, I know you're married. And your marriage has everything a man desires. But there's one thing that is lacking in that home. A child. Harold, a child.
And for that, I should start messing around?
Well, I'm not saying you should start messing around. Harold, you can get that girl pregnant and pay her to keep the child.
Kester, like, how can you say this kind of thing to me? How can you look me in the face and say such? You are mocking my wife and I for being childless?
I am not mocking your wife. You're making mistakes. Why would I make fun out of your unfortunate situation? You don't have a child and you need a child. A child is one of the most beautiful things you can find in any marriage. And you don't have it. And you're still here saying nonsense. I am giving you advice and it's obvious to keep to the advice and you're here reminiscing bullshit.
Well, thanks, but no thanks.
You need to say that again. Thank me again.
I and my wife, Lucia, share a very serious bond. Whether I have a child or not with Lucia, I will not give in to this. I love my wife very much. And I'm sticking with her, good or bad.
This is the reason why they refuse to retain you at where you do your NYC. Useless boy! You don't know this sense. When they give advice, you could talk rubbish.
Have you taken any medication?
I have.
Huh. Hey. You and Harold, are you both having issues like maybe, marital issues, the way husband and wife used to fight, quarrel, maybe your husband is not talking to you, he's not picking your calls?
What kind of question is this?
Just a simple question.
Why are you asking me this type of simple question, Gina?
Because I'm concerned. I am your friend.
I and Harold did not fight, okay? Harold is a good man. He would never raise his hands on me. So, do not think about it. We never fought.
Oh, you are really lucky. You're very lucky.
Very lucky. I was sleeping. It was you that woke me up.
So, why are you like this? What happened?
I didn't sleep last night.
Really? What happened? Because you're a shadow of yourself.
I had a very terrible nightmare.
Nightmare?
It was so scary.
Was it a nightmare or... I don't understand. What's happening?
In that dream, I was just standing before a set of very angry mob. They accused me of stealing a baby. Before I could say Jack, they descended on me, beat me blue-black and set me ablaze eventually. Ha! My whole body hurts.
Hey. So that's how they would have just killed my friend like this. God forbid. Indeed, it's really a terrible nightmare. I understand. It is not easy. Married for 10 years without a child. I totally understand. That is why I'm asking you, please, can't you consider this IVF?
Oh, not again, Gina.
I don't know. Why are you sounding as if IVF is a sin? IVF is not a sin.
For the umpth time, Gina. No, I do not want IVF.
Lucia, is it when your mother-in-law comes here and starts nagging at you, shouting and asking you why you've not given her a grandchild? Is that what you want?
Well, my mother-in-law is not my God. I will get pregnant and I will carry my baby in my womb for 9 months and I will give birth like a Hebrew woman. Have you lost faith in God? Have you forgotten that what God cannot do does not exist? He has done it severally for several women in the Bible. He did it for Sarah, he did it for Hannah, he did it for Elizabeth and lots of them. So he will do it for me. I will not subject my body to negativity. So no, stop, please.
You know, procrastination procrastination is a thief of time. I understand. I believe in God. I know, but God has given us that IVF.
Talk of it. Emeka, you're very woman. Nouah, welcome. Eh? Is it me and believe you are welcoming into my son's house? Yeah. No, taking it. As madam of the house. Obria.
She will never, ever, ever
look at her. Mama, just look at her. Barren woman. My brother went to marry an Wanji as a wife. No child, nothing. Just here.
Amanda, is that how to greet your elder brother's wife?
Greet who? Greet this barren woman. God forbid. I can never in my life greet this barren woman. This woman that don't want to give my brother a child. You want me to greet her? What is good about the greeting?
Mama, you should have at least called to inform us that you were coming. You know, so we'll prepare for you. Now you just bashed him.
Yeah? No, I should have consulted the magistrate, customary court, judiciary, high court. When they approve my letter, then I will call you and ask you if I can come to my son's house. Meaning another useless thing. You think you can have your way around my brother's house? No, you cannot. We have come to dominate my elder brother's house. So if you don't like it, fly you.
And you are seated in my husband's house abusing me.
Yes. Rephrase it. You are in my son's house. Enjoying. Rephrase it.
Mama, you two are wrong. Your son is a married man now. So courtesy demands that before you come into his house, you should inform him and his wife.
When you Mr. Costu, who called you? Who are you? Who are you? Some people are just shameless. Very shameless. Instead of you looking for a man to get married to you, so you will go to your husband's house. You are here, interfering in matters that does not concern you. Are you part of this family? John.
Amanda, are you talking to me?
Amanda.
Amanda. Amanda, you have the nerves to open this your dirty mouth to talk to me. If you dare talk to me again, I will beat you. You will not do anything. I am telling you. Who are you? Is this a bad talk? Yeah, she will keep quiet. I will beat you. I will bounce on you. You don't know me. I will beat you. I beat you. Is this your brother's house? Come and go outside and look for husband. You're coming to show yourself. Lucy, I will talk. You two, you will talk. My friendship now. What will happen? Well, let me tell you something you don't know. You are yet to get married. You don't even know your fate in your husband's house. And you're just spilling rubbish to your brother's wife. Yeah. Are you not shameless? You're shameful. Senseless. Look at you. Back to sender. Back to sender. Just take good care of yourself. And please do not allow anything they do to you to get to you. Because they don't know what they are doing. Take care of yourself.
Thank you so much for coming.
Okay, bye.
I got a wink for Mama.
Pain in her heart. She never bears no grudge. She's ready to love.
Drinking water.
However, wherever it takes. She's ready to love.